Hi guys, Filvet is here, and right now I want to share with you my purchase of optimization. So at the moment my scene is not optimized, and what was my first option? So I tried to optimize my mesh in this way. So I turned on nanites. Now let's save, and now we can see that now it's more optimized and we reduced poly count, but it is way too much. You can see it. So if we compare, it's something similar to decimate in ZBrush. But I want to have more control and to change it manually if it's possible. And what I did to change it, so let's turn it off. Nanite, and maybe I want to show you on this example, this construction. Okay, so double click, and at first I want to recommend you to turn off this enable nanite support option, and then we should scroll down, and here we can find in our Lods settings number of Lods, and let's write here. So right now we can see that we have 200,000 plus triangles, and now let's put, for example, 5 Lods and apply changes. And now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, now it's ready. And now I want to show you. So just take a look here, triangles. And now let's switch our Lods. So now you can see it's lower amount, lower. Yeah, I think it's too much, but still we can go back and find some lot that will be enough for this mesh. Yeah, something like this. And again, if you want to apply this certain lot in your scene, so let's just save it. And now I want to move closer. Okay. And right now we should write forced. Three. Okay, we can see that it is too much. 2. Okay. So in this way we can optimize our scene. So yeah, I'm still learning and I'm just sharing with you guys. So I hope it was useful for you. Have a good one.